Here I have Google Play on my laptop. When I click into it, I can install any app or game that's available in the Play Store. We're going to look at how you can do this too. Let's check this out. First, head to the website bluestacks.com. Bluestacks is what's known as an emulator. This allows your Windows or your Mac PC to behave like an Android device. The reason I like Bluestacks so much is, well, first off, it works really well. It's actually completely free, and it's also backed up by companies like Intel and AMD, meaning that it's going to be trustworthy. On the website you have two different options, BlueStacks 5 or BlueStacks 10. Which one should you choose? With BlueStacks 5 it will install all apps and games directly on your computer. With BlueStacks 10, on the other hand, it will install the app or game on your computer, or it will stream it from the cloud, depending on which one will give you the better experience. I'll select BlueStacks 5. The nice thing here is if you stream it from the cloud, it will save some of your system resources and also works better on lower end hardware. Let's now run through the installation process. By the way, consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tricks. Once you finish installing the app, when you launch it, you'll see an interface that looks like this, a typical Android interface. In the top, you can search for any app or game. Let's search for an app, for example. Here you can even view it in the Google Play. Here we can click into Google Play, and this is your standard Google Play experience. You can install any app and any game through this. BlueStacks is very feature-rich emulator, and you have all of your standard Android controls. Here in the top left-hand corner you can go back. You can also return to home. Here you can view all of your recent apps just like you can on Android device. Over on the right-hand side you can toggle on full screen mode. Here you can also write macros. Let's say you're playing a game that has a lot of repetitive steps. You can record all of those steps and then play them back. Also, there's something called the multi-instance manager. With this, you can run multiple instances of BlueStacks. Let's say you want to play a game, maybe side by side with a productivity app. Well, you can do that and many other features. Alright, well, that's how easy it is to get Google Play in your laptop. Are there any downsides? Well, it uses an older version of Android. Also, because it's free, you'll occasionally see different apps promoted. But overall it works very well and you're not paying anything. What do you think about BlueStacks? Tell me in the comments. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.